this? Maybe we can start first with Megan.
I guess my advice would be to enjoy the process. It's not something that's supposed to be stressful. It's a day where you both get together and really get to enjoy with the people that you love. So enjoy every single moment. If it becomes stressful, that's why you communicate with each other to, you know, discuss why am I feeling this way and why am I feeling so stressed about something that should be full of joy. So yeah, definitely communicating with each other really helped us get, well, especially me because I'm a stress ball, helped me get out of that thinking and really focus on what was important. It was for the both of us, it was for a day of celebration.
I love that. Mikael?
Yeah, I guess one thought or image that I can leave everyone with is someone asked me before, like 10 years ago, what is love? And the first thing that came to mind was a story from a teacher back in college that resonated with me and I take with me until now. And I guess that is how I deal with my love and my relationship with my wife. So he said, imagine yourself as an individual, your circle, and when you love someone, you're bringing that other circle into yourself. And that's difficult because there's no space. So bringing someone else into your life, into your space, into your circle, requires constant pressure to expand because you naturally want to go back to your normal shape. And it's in that constant pressure and every day deciding that I will fight and I will decide and I will choose to grow for my partner, for my wife. And I guess in that process of every day choosing that, eventually you do grow and you do expand. And suddenly, before you know it, you actually have space for another person in your life. But I guess that's just a nice way of saying that every day is a decision, but every day you make that decision, it does get easier, and then eventually you come to a point where you're very comfortable having another person in your life. So that is my definition of love that I'm sharing with all of you. Hopefully some of you resonate with it, but for me, that's been the guiding light for my life and my relationship with my wife.
Ladies and gentlemen, Megan Young Daes and Mikael Daes. Please give them a big round of applause. Megan and Mikael, we have something very special planned for you. I'd like to call on Mr. Jason Uy and Ms. Brenda Handua to give you your beautiful bouquet as a thank you for sharing your thoughts and for being here as our special guest. And so now I'd like to call on Mr. Jason Uy, our CEO, and Ms. Brenda Haluag, VP for Finance. That's a portrait by live painting by Hues and Tones over there, one of our exhibitors.